How to download and install Rapido Captain in iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download Rapido Captain on your iPhone. So first thing, just head over to your App Store on your iPhone and just search in for Rapido Captain. So once you search in for Rapido Captain, it should appear over here. So as you can see, it has appeared over here for me in this section. But if it doesn't appear for your section or in your device, then what you can do is just head over to any of your browser. So let me just select Google Chrome for example and just search in for Rapido Captain, and then you will be seeing the same application over here, and you can just tap on it to install from over here, and it will take you to direct this page over here, and just click on get. And once you verify with the password or your face, it will automatically install your Rapido application on your iPhone. So once it successfully gets downloaded and installed, just tap on open to successfully open the Rapido application. And if it's your first time opening the application, you may need to enter your phone number and verify your application account. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.